Greetings everyone, I'm Carrie Marquis and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel, where we delve into legal intricacies to keep you well informed. Today's topic is both intriguing and complex. Can I get my ex-wife's new marriage terminated or voided? Let's navigate the legal landscape of Texas to understand the possibilities, limitations, and potential scenarios with real-life insights and legal perspectives. This question is not only emotionally charged, but legally intricate. We'll explore whether, under Texas state law, one can seek to terminate or void an ex-spouse's new marriage, breaking down the legal considerations and offering practical insights for those facing such a situation. To make this discussion more tangible, let's consider the case of Mark and Jennifer. After their divorce in Texas, Jennifer has remarried, prompting Mark to contemplate the legal avenues to terminate her new marriage. We'll use this scenario to explore the legal complexities involved and how Texas law addresses such situations. In Texas, annulment is a legal process that can render a marriage void. We'll discuss the grounds for annulment, differentiating them from divorce, and understand when annulment is a viable option, emphasizing when it might not apply to terminating an ex-spouse's new marriage. Terminating a new marriage involves complex legal considerations, including fraud, bigamy, and other factors. We'll explore the specific circumstances in which Texas law might recognize the termination of a marriage and the potential legal challenges one might face. Having realistic expectations is crucial when exploring legal options. We will discuss the practicalities and limitations of seeking to terminate an ex-wife's new marriage, highlighting the importance of consulting with a family law attorney for personalized advice. While terminating a new marriage may be challenging, we'll explore alternative legal avenues such as modifying existing court orders or addressing concerns through proper legal channels. Understanding these options can empower individuals to make informed decisions. For a more comprehensive understanding of this complex topic, check out the detailed guide on Brian Fagan's website. The link is in the description below for your convenience. In conclusion, navigating the legal waters of terminating an ex-wife's new marriage is a complex endeavor. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel for more legal insights and updates. Thank you for joining me today as we unravel the legal complexities of terminating an ex-wife's new marriage in Texas. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding the nuances of family law. Until next time, I'm Carrie Marquis, signing off.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.